Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. I welcome you all. So today we are going to talk about the operating system and language processor and the application software. For your better knowledge, I advise you please watch this complete video till end. Okay? So let's begin with the operating system. Yesterday we were talking about the hardware and the software, and we left the topic with the operating system, language processor and the application software. So today we are going to cover them. Okay, I'll try to make the small video so that you will enjoy this. So first of all, what is the operating system? In the simple lines, please listen the words carefully. In simple lines, I want to explain. Operating system is the way to make the interface between human and machine. I'm repeating again. Operating system is the way to make the interface between human and machine. Okay. So, with the one example, I want to tell you. As think that this area is a person who know only the French, and this is you who know only your means Hindi, English, only your tongue. So if you want to communicate with this person, you want to share your feelings, that time what you requires? Nowadays Google providing a software so that you can write down your words in the same language and you can convert them. The similar thing is here. This is the hardware which know its own language. It is a electric device, means computer, means it is a keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU. It knows only the its signals, and signals are 0 and 1. So my dear students, it can understand only 0 and 1, and you can understand only your language. So how will you communicate with this? So you require a mediator which help you to translate the things. Whatever the machine will respond to you, it will translate in your language, and whatever you want to communicate, you can communicate with the help of this way. So operating system is the way to make the interface between human and machine. I think this thing is clear to you. So generally you all are working on the operating system, but operating system only provide you the path to work, but you mostly drives your vehicle, you mostly drives your things on the application software. We will talk about just now what is the application software, but for your understanding, you all are working on the applications, but application is working on the operating system. I think these things are clear for you. So here you can make a you can go with the ideas. Hardware is nothing but finally designed machinery. Operating system makes the hardware work to produce result for a task. Okay, the primary goal of the operating system is just to make the computer system convenient to use, and secondary goal is used to use computer hardware in an efficient manner, means how you can use the computer system part and system convenient to use. These are the two basic goals of the operating system. So now we are going to talk about the following functions. Provide the instructions to prepare user interface, load the necessary programs, coordinate how program works, and manage the storage. So these are the basic goals for operating system. When we will talk about the more in operating system, that time I will tell you the types of operating system, its kernel and body, the things we will discuss afterwards, but these are the basic terms that you have to learn. Okay, so make it sure, means it is the user interface, it provided the user interface, load the necessary programs, coordinate how the program will work, and manage the storage. Okay, these are the things that you have to remember. And I think you are familiar with the operating system example as a Windows. Mostly people are using the Windows, as you can go with the Mac, you can go with the Red Hat. So these are the certain examples which you can use as an operating system. Linux also one name. Okay, so these things we will in details we will discuss afterwards, but this is the basic things for you people. Now language processors. What is the language processor? As a IT student, these questions should come in your mind. These two questions: what is the language processor and why we are using it? Any topic, what is that and why we are using it? So it will be better for you to make your understanding. So here language processor, it is a software. Okay, it is a software program. It is a software program. You can see a source code and the target program. So what is it? It is providing a mediation, means in the middle path it will provide, as the operating system provides the between human and machine, it is providing the path between program code and the target program. So what is it exactly? A language processor is a software program designed or used to perform tasks such as processing programs codes to machine codes. Means we have to convert high level language to machine language. Okay, ML, high level to ML, HLL to ML. Okay, so this is the work of a language processor. So exactly what will happen when you will write down the codes, when you will learn the programming language? Have you used the HTML? If you please keep in your mind that we have designed the HTML, some codes. So in the similar way, whenever you are going to make a programming and Python, Java, C++, C Sharp, okay, whenever you are going to make the programming, so that time what you are going to do, you are going to write down some certain codes. You are going to write down some certain codes, and that codes are in high level language. Okay, so the language processor will help you to convert these into the machine language, so that machine will interact, machine will communicate, machine will understand what the user need, what the users need. So this is the mediation between high level language to the machine level language. So we language processors are certain types. So here are the types: assembler, interpreter, and compiler. Assembler, a language processor convert assembly language into the machine language. These were the basic things. Okay, assembler language, assembler processor converts the language into the machine language. Okay, interpreter, language process converts high level language to the machine language, make it sure HLL to ML, and execute line by line. This is important thing, converting and executing line by line. So that time what will happen, you, I think, just now suppose that you have written this code. Okay, so this code, what interpreter will do when you are going to check the lines codes, suppose you get a error here in this third line, so it will stop there only. Until or unless you will not clear this error, it will not execute to the next line. So interpreter checks the same thing. The interpreter will check the lines, check the errors, but when it will get the error, it will stop there only. You have to clear the error, then it will execute to the next line. Compiler is just opposite of that. Compiler, what it will do, it will check the whole program in one go. At the last, it will show line 3 error. It will show line 3 error. So at the last, when it will show with the line, so you have to clear the error, then you will execute again, and it will work for you. So here are the things: assembler, interpreter, and the compiler. I think these things are a little bit clear for you because you are listening these words first time. So make it sure that when you next time when you will read this topic, it will be clear for you. Okay, is this clear to you? I hope so. Now the application software, so we have certain programs in which you are working daily. I think you all are using the VLC player to watch the movies and videos. You all are using the paintbrush to do the painting. You all are using the Photoshop to make the photo editing. I think just now you all are watching the PPT presentation which I prepared. So like that, we have the things. We have the certain small programs which help you to perform a certain task. Okay, mobile phones, you have a particular application to perform a task. Okay, so what are the applications? Means they are performing a particular task. The programs which is designed to perform a particular task is known as the application software. Okay, application softwares are the small programs, small computer programs designed to perform a group of coordinate function, task, or activities for the benefit of user. Please read this line yourself, pause the video, read these lines, and make them understand whether what I'm saying now. Means paintbrush, or if I'm going to talk about the VLC player, or if I'm going to talk about the MS Word, or if I'm going to talk about any other software, in which you can design your ideas. Okay, you can, and means that application is designed for performing some group of coordinate functions. Means paintbrush is not complete without the eraser, without the filler, without the rectangle, without that pencil. It is incomplete. So for that you require some coordinated functions that perform some tasks, activities, to be the benefit of the user. So these are the things that you have to understand. We have two categories of application software. Number one, custom software. Number two, general purpose software. So what are the custom software? Custom softwares are designed to perform a user's need task. Means if you need a software for your own purpose, whatever you are doing, so you can use the custom software. Okay, means it depends on your user's need. If you need a particular software, you can go to the software developer and you can tell them that, sir, I need this type of software, so they will design the software according to your needs. That is a user's requirement. Second thing is the general purpose software. Means it is similar for all. Whatever you can use at home, it is similar in a school computer lab, or in your uncle's computer, in your father's computer. As similar, if I'm going to talk about the word, the word software which you are using in the computer lab is similar at your home, is similar at your in your uncle's computer. So means only the version difference, but the feature, the things are similar. So this is the general purpose. I think the things are clear for you. I hope these things will work for you. Thank you and have a nice day.